I think it's a very delicate balance between being protective of the data and at the worst case, being the most protective means nobody's doing anything with it. And on the other hand, if you just make it public, then sensitivity is an issue, privacy, and of course the commercial aspects of it. If you look at, the number of companies and the amount of research that's being spun out of every data set that's made public, every one you look at is, hundreds of cases. That's how strong the value of the data is. You have to understand it. And if you're collecting a lot of data, it's still a very heavy lift to actually take advantage of it. And that has to happen through partnerships, through collaboration in the ecosystem. Otherwise, it's just not going to happen. And of course, people that see this in a strategic way, and especially when you've made the work to consolidate the data and to look at it, to get it at least into one place, one EMR, okay, be able to look at the entire group in one way, that's a very heavy lift. To have great foresight to do that when you start consolidating practices. But it puts you at a huge advantage over everybody else because you can look at the quality across the platform. People have to be very thoughtful in how they approach it, but they can't stop at the gates. Already done so much work into collecting the data, whether they've put it in one place or not. If you don't share the data, you're actually are a gate for change. You're slowing down improvement and you're slowing down quality. To really learn what works and what doesn't work, you need to dig into that detail.